Hey there, I'm Jenny and this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime mentors. Today we're working with Verlasso Salmon to show you how easy it is to swap salmon into some of your favorite recipes.
That's right, Jenny. Today we are making an air fryer buffalo salmon salad.
So good.
Yes, so definitely something that's more traditionally made with chicken, but today we're swapping in salmon and it's absolutely delicious. So what we have going already, we have a little bit of butter here in our saucepan that has just about melted. So next I'm going to add in our buffalo sauce to mix with the butter. You can use whatever type of buffalo sauce that you prefer. I know today we're using Frank's. Yes, that's kind of our go-to.
Yes. And if you aren't a big fan of heat, don't worry, it's not very spicy at all because we're really just making a marinade for the salmon.
Yes, so you just want to mix it together. This looks good. I'm going to turn it off the heat. So we're going to pour this over the top of our salmon.
Yum. I'm just gonna tilt this a little bit to make sure that everything is covered. And now we want this to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. Just really let that flavor get into the salmon. And then about halfway through that marinating time, we're going to flip it, so then it'll be skin side up. All right, the salmon looks great, so we're gonna get it into our air fryer. So we're air frying today because it is kind of a faster way of cooking the salmon. And when we cook it in the air fryer, it still keeps the salmon really, really juicy, but it gets that nice, like, crispy outside.
Yeah, so most people think of using an air fryer for, of course, more fried food, but actually you can cook pretty much anything that you would cook in an oven in an air fryer.
All right, so for this salmon, we're just going to get it into our air fryer. We've preheated it to 400 and lightly sprayed the basket with some cooking spray so it doesn't stick. And we're gonna put the salmon in skin side down.
So if you were cooking this in the oven, you would also preheat your oven to 400 and you'd wanna put them on a baking sheet and cook skin side down as well.
Last one.
Smells so good.
It does. All right.
All right, so we're gonna cook our salmon for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork and really just your desired doneness.
All right, so our salmon is all cooked and it looks awesome, but we're gonna be putting it on this bed of gorgeous vegetables.
Yes, so we have romaine lettuce, we're using celery, carrots, sweet corn, peppers, onion. Really though, you can choose whatever you'd like.
Exactly. So the salmon is really rich and has lots of really great flavors. So it's kind of like the perfect match with all of these fresh vegetables.
Yes, and of course we have blue cheese dressing and blue cheese crumbles because what is buffalo without blue cheese?
Exactly. But if you aren't a fan of blue cheese, feel free to use ranch. Yes. But we both like it.
Definitely. Let's look at our salmon.
All right, take a look. Yum.
Oh, it looks so good.
You can see like the brown crispy parts on top.
Yes.
Oh boy.
So you can find Verlasso salmon right in our fresh seafood department in the case. We really love using Verlasso salmon because it is a sustainable seafood, which really all of our seafood that you find at Festival is 100% sustainable. So it's definitely something that we're really proud of and really committed to, but Verlasso is definitely our go-to salmon.
All right, should we finish this off?
Let's do some blue cheese crumbles first. And then drizzle it with some dressing. I like that we're pairing really kind of a heavier dish, but with the salad really makes a difference. It lightens
it up. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, let's give this a try. I can't wait to try this salmon. The buffalo with the salmon goes together so well.
Yes. We hope you give this salmon salad a try. Find this recipe and other salmon recipes on festfoods.com/meals.